350W electric scooter or electric bike at home in 2026 is easier than ever, thanks to the availability of components and technology. To start, you need a basic frame, either from a regular bicycle or scooter. Choose a sturdy frame that can handle the added weight of the motor and battery. Next, select a 350W brushless DC hub motor. This is the most efficient and easy to install option, as it fits directly into the wheel hub, reducing the need for external transmission components. You'll need a compatible motor controller, which manages the power delivery from the battery to the motor. The controller should match the voltage of your battery, usually 36V or 48V for a 350W system. Lithium-ion batteries are the most suitable choice due to their high energy density and lightweight nature. A 36V 10Ah battery offers a good balance of range and performance for everyday use, with a potential range of around 25-40 kilometers per charge depending on conditions. Wiring the components is crucial. Connect the battery to the controller, then the controller to the motor. Most kits come with color-coded wiring, making it relatively simple to follow. A throttle, either twist or thumb style, is connected to the controller to regulate speed. Ensure all electrical connections are secure and insulated to prevent shorts or electrical hazards. Mount the battery securely to the frame using a custom-made bracket or a pre-made battery case, preferably with lock and water resistance. Adding safety features is also important. Install disc brakes or upgrade the existing brake system to handle the added speed and weight. Incorporate LED headlights, taillights, and a horn for visibility and safety on the road. You may also want to install a speedometer or basic display unit that shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled. Once assembled, test the vehicle at low speeds in a safe area. Check the response of the throttle, the brake performance, and the battery drain rate. Make adjustments as necessary for comfort and control. With attention to safety, correct installation, and reliable parts, building your own 350W electric scooter or bike can be a rewarding and functional DIY project. It not only saves money but also offers a personalized commuting option in an increasingly electric future.